Alright, I am going to make American stew today for my dinner. So I washed the whole pot in running water, so drain the water. Alright, so you have to prepare carrots, potato, and celery, plus onion. Alright, then I'll be mixing up with the flowers. So be ready. So then I prepared 1 cup of flour. Alright, so now we have to work on browning the beef, right? So you have to coat them with flour, just like I show you right here. Alright, then once it is done, it is browned, top and the bottom, and you have to prepare. Ready to add my vegetables into it. Okay, so in the meantime, I'm going to chop my onions, carrots, potatoes, and celery. Let's see. Alright, I'll be chopping this potato. 2 pieces, small one, then big one in the middle, and maybe a triangle shape. Make sure that they're not too small pieces. So we'll get softer later on. Just use 3 small potatoes. Alright, then I will add small tiny carrots. I like to use this for stews. For me, it is about 10 of them. I will add 5 more because it's family size. So then I will cut in half. It's just right in the middle, just like that. I don't want to be too small, but not too big either. That would be perfect size for my mouth. Yep, miss each of them, just cut like that. Alright, I'm not speeding it up, this process. I want you to see as it is. Alright, then I got 3 long celery, cut them all the leaves and everything, prepare to chop it. Now, I kind of normally don't use the top part, so then maybe 1 centimeter. Yeah. Celery is a little tough, but it's very soft once it's cooked. Very fresh. And this is how I did it. Then also be ready to do it, and then last amount onions. Be ready to do it, and then last amount onions. I want to use the whole big onions. Cut the end of this each top head that all. Cut in half like that, right? And then maybe 4 or 5. Yeah, there we go. And all set. It's right in the middle. Cut like that, and then probably 3 pieces better. Yeah, if you don't like a big piece, cut into 4 or 5 pieces. Okay, just like that. It's all ready to go into my stew pan. Alright, this is almost ready. Then it's all the blood's not showing. It's all golden brown, a little bit of brownish, dark brownish. Right? Okay, that means it's ready. I'm going to add my vegetable right into it. So, remember this one. I'm going to add all this right into it. Just like that. Then I will mix them. And I'm going to start adding my water and seasonings. Okay. Alright, so I prepare 4 cups for fresh water. Alright, this is 4 cups water. I'm pouring right into it. It looks like a lot of water, right? But you know what? It's going to be soaked into all the meats and vegetables. So you might want to add a little more, probably 2 more cups. So total it will be 6 cups. Because it will be thickened later on as a stew around and simmer it for a long time, 2 to 4 hours. This is a long process, but it's very tasty. It's worth of trying because you can forget about it while it's simmering, or in a pan, or in a rice cooker, or stew pot. You can do that, but I'm starting with my pan, and then I'm gonna pour into my rice cooker, and I'm gonna let it simmer for 2 to 3, 4 hours. Alright, so then I'll be showing you how I season them. Alright, let me show you. Okay, let's see. I'm gonna put some pepper. Hold on. Oh, how do you do that? Okay, next is rosemary. Just half teaspoon. Yeah. Alright, then the final will be parsley. I add a little bit, like teaspoon. This is a little bit bigger chunk. Yeah. Alright, that's it. I can already smell that stew smell. Wonderful. Okay, great or what? Yeah. Okay, then now I'm gonna add salt. Like I said before, I do not want to make salt. So what I will do is just grind like very, very finely grate it. So 1, 2, 3 teaspoonfuls. For now it is. So guess what I will add? 1 teaspoonful sugar. This is sugar. 1. Okay, that's it. 1 teaspoonful sugar. Alright. I'm gonna let it cook for 30 minutes before I move it onto my rice cooker for it to be simmered. Okay, but now I'm gonna wait like 30 minutes. Alright, I'm gonna let it cook on medium for 30 minutes. Then I'm going to thicken this sauce by adding my starch. Okay, yeah. So I'll be right back. Alright, after 30 minutes of cooking, looks like it's pretty. It got a little thicker. Alright, so I add 2 more cups of water. Okay. And I'll be ready to put it into my rice cooker. It's pretty good. Now I'll be adding starch, a little bit of starch. Okay. Hold on. Alright, 2 tablespoons of rice starch. So add like 1/4 of a cup water. And I'm going to pour it into the stew mix. Alright, let's see. It should be thickening. Now, I will not add any salt, no other seasonings other than that starch that I just mixed into it. And I'll be moving on to my rice cooker. Alright, see you later. Before I simmer it, I'm adding 1 tablespoon salt. Okay. And seasoned salt. It's 1 tablespoon. That's it. That's my final ingredient. Alright, mix it all together. Alright. Yeah, taste it. Perfect. Alright, moving to my rice. All of them. And all the juice. Yeah. All ready. Alright. Then I'll be cooking this rice cooker part. Then it should be cooking. Yeah, set to go. Well, I'll be setting a timer for 3 hours. Okay? Alright. How is the taste?
Thumbs up. A1 on Yelp review. Highly recommended.
Thank you.